Good morning.
Morning.
My name is Mike from Omaha, and it's been said that you're the white knight of the investment world because you rescue companies from hostile takeovers. Are there any companies you are now trying to help out, and would you please name those companies?
Do you have a cell phone that you're going to place orders with, or? No, we really, what we really want to buy into is our wonderful businesses, or at least extremely good businesses, and we want them to have managements we like, and we want the price to be attractive. And we are not in the business of being white knights. We're in the business of being investors in things that look sensible to us. And I don't think I've been approached by anybody in connection with that. We do get approached occasionally. I should say we get approached when somebody occasionally. It's when somebody has a takeover bid and they say, "Would you like to top it or something?" To which our answer invariably is no. Charlie?
Well, we're very good at saying no.
Charlie's better than I am even. Zone 4.